Welcome back. Okay, so like we discussed in the Asian session, we have our zones marked. We placed the orders, and let me show you what's the effect. You can see I have booked partial. So here you can see, like I said, the risk was around $300. So when I saw the profit of 600, I have booked 50%. You can see here 0.14 out of 0.28 and 0.19 out of 0.38. And now I have left the remaining entries running, remaining lots running. So already we have booked around $300, 317 something. So even if this hits our SL, still we might be making around 150, $170. And if this hits the TP, then we'll be reaching another $1,000 profit. So let's see what happens. Simple levels, whatever I discussed in the Asian session, the same thing I'm doing here. Just mark the levels and you can see we placed the entries. There were two entries, one at the tap and one at the 50%. And you can see both have been triggered. And now already it has given more than 1:2. If we talk about this entry, this gave around 1:3.46. And if we talk about this entry, this gave around 1:2. So in both the cases, 1:2 has been done. So yes, that's it. Okay, so that's our levels from Asian session. So these are the orders pending and running. Like I said, I'm expecting here also a good sell. Reason I already explained. If we simply terminate in this, after the change of character, here it was a break of structure. And from here to here, if we see the price is in the premium zone. And in premium zone, here I see one order block, you can say it. So that was this reason, and the order block is still here. So there is a chance that it may also trigger this one. And even it may trigger this and keep on falling. But we are not only on one side. We will be looking for buy two if the price comes in these two levels. Like I said, I'm more interested in this level because I'm expecting a liquid to be swept here. This may be this can be seen as an inducement too if it closes above this high. So yes, I'm expecting that before moving up, it would take this entry and then go up. Let's see if we get that entry or no. No. We have booked some profit, so it doesn't matter. Even if it hits the SL, then we will not be making a huge loss. It will be around 144 something, and already we have booked 300. So again, we will be around 160, $170 up. Okay, so this is what I am trying to show you, that how a risking small amount can give a good result, and trading at the proper zones, not trading randomly anywhere, just trading in our zone. So these were the levels that we marked in Asian session. At 12:59, we will be marking again. Okay. At 12:59, we will be marking again the new levels based on the London session. Yes, so now we are expecting a bearish move that will help us to make more profits. So let's see. Already it has given one trade has given more than 1:3, and the second entry has given around 1:2. And later it's moving towards a sell, but yeah, let's see. So this is a strong zone. I feel that we may see rejection in this area. We may see good rejection. So within this area, we have these two zones. And another case that can be that it will just take the liquidity of these zones, like all these areas, and then fall down, and then give a good down move. This can also be a case. Like either it will give here a good fall from here, or else it will again move towards this area and then fall. So let's see. And so we can see a good support in this area that is near to this. So this support will become as a resistance, and yes, here we can get a good reaction from here. So we'll place another sell limit orders here, because I feel we are going to get a good move here. If it would fall from here, then also it's good to us. But if no, then definitely we may see a good fall from here. Most probably it will be good if this candle itself falls. We are already in these sales. If we get this candle, this would be a good thing for us. Yeah, just one good move. We already booked partial, and these are the running profits. I'm just waiting it to hit the TP. Actual TP is this one, but I have placed TP for one order here and the TP for second at this lower level. So you can see there are two different TPs, 33.87 and 44.19. Stop loss are same. I have not changed the stop loss yet. Let's see what's the status of Bitcoin. See when the Bitcoin also rejected from here. So let's see now if it falls to here at least. And even if it closes below this, just around 5 to, it can be again short-term change of character in 5 minute time frame. So again, yes, we can say that it will again touch this, come up, and again fall, so on. Let's see. Let's not overanalysis. Just stick to our rules. That's it. Good, good going. Around 780 dips from our point, our entry. But the simple way to trade on these levels. Still around 7 minutes to go to mark new levels. bigger the zone, we'll get the quite accurate, more accurate entries. Here it's small, even then we got good entries, but whenever the zones are quite big, then we get two distant levels, and these levels play more accurate role. And even the target is also quite good, and risk reward is too good in that case. So I like when one of the session gives a good volatile moves. Just 5 minutes to mark these levels. 12:59 will be marking the new levels based on the London session, London opening session. Now this session is about to end. So what I'm doing, the lower entry, I'm just keeping the stop loss to the entry, because I'm not much interested in that zone, like in that entry. So I don't want to make any loss in that. So I'm securing profit in one trade, and here we have kept the stop loss unchanged. I will not change it, either TP or SM. I will wait for it. But for this trade, I am just reducing my risk. Because at around 1, I guess there can be some move. We may get some. We may get some more. At 12:59 we will be marking the another levels for the London session, and that may get active before the New York session. Just remember the rule: whenever you get the entry, whenever you see the profit is 1:2, book your partial so that you are risk free at that time, and then just wait for either the TP or stop loss, so that you won't be in loss even if at that time the stop loss is hit. And you will keep on booking some small profits, and there will be a day, or there will be a time in one session when you will be getting full TPs, or at least one entry. That is what we will be waiting for. Okay, so on the closing of this 1 minute candle, we'll be marking the new zones, new levels, and now I'm deleting this level as we already entered in this level. That job has been done because we are risk free in this trade now. Okay, so yes, so let's mark new 4 levels. So as here both the levels are overlapping, I will just focus on this one. So these are the selling levels. So yeah, so I'll be entering at this level, and the TP for that will be the buy levels. And when I entered in the buy levels, the TP for those will be the sell levels. So yeah, so that's it for today. Today I will not be coming during the New York session. So see you tomorrow in the Asian session at 10 a.m. and tomorrow we will be attending all the 3 sessions, Asian, London and New York. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care, and all the best for today's trades.